Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super exciting on deck, the unboxing and review of the much anticipated Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest tech reviews. As we lift the lid, the first thing we're greeted with is the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra itself, sitting snugly and securely in its compartment, beckoning us to explore further. Underneath the phone, there's a treasure trove of accessories. We've got the Huawei supercharged charger that supports an impressive 100W fast charging. Can you imagine how quick that is? Picking up the phone, the first thing you notice is its heft and build quality. It feels robust and well-crafted in hand. The back of the phone features a sophisticated leather-like finish with a unique starburst pattern that Huawei says is created using a high-precision embossing technique. It's not only gorgeous to look at but also provides a nice grip, which is always a plus. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra we have here is in the stunning starry white color, but it also comes in a range of colors including starry black and a couple of other options that have really artistic vibes. Turning on the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, the screen comes alive with vibrant colors and sharp details. The display is an OLED panel with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything from scrolling through social media to watching videos feel ultra smooth. One of the standout features in terms of design has to be the camera setup. The Pura 70 Ultra doesn't just have any camera bump. It has a motorized telescoping lens that literally pops out when you're ready to snap a photo. Let's not forget the software side of things. The Pura 70 Ultra runs on HarmonyOS 4.2 and it's smooth, folks. The brains of the operation, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is rocking a Kirin 9010 processor. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal with this chip? Well, this isn't just any old chipset. The Kirin 9010 is a significant step up from its predecessors, rumored to be giving us about a 10% boost in performance over the last gen models in the Mate 60 series. But benchmarks are just one part of the story, right? It's in everyday use where this phone really shows its mettle. From my experience, everything feels fluid and responsive. Swiping through the interface, opening apps, multitasking with multiple apps open, it's all seamless. What's even more impressive is how it manages heat. Even after extended gaming sessions or during heavy use, the Pura 70 Ultra stays surprisingly cool. Huawei's thermal management here deserves a shout-out because keeping performance up without turning your phone into a pocket heater is no small feat. 70 Ultra includes two-way satellite communication technology. This isn't just about SOS messages, which is already super cool. We're talking about actual messaging capabilities from virtually anywhere. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra packs some serious photography hardware. At the heart of its imaging prowess is a triple camera setup led by a 50MP UltraVision main camera that utilizes a revolutionary super zoom telephoto lens. This camera is backed by a 40MP ultra-wide lens and a 50MP telephoto lens with super macro capabilities, but what does all this mean for your photos? First off, the main 50MP sensor is not just any camera lens. It's equipped with a large 1-inch sensor that Huawei has paired with a variable aperture ranging from f1.6 to f4.0. This means the camera can adjust how much light hits the sensor, giving you stunning images whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low light conditions. The larger sensor size captures more details and offers significantly better dynamic range, making your photos pop with clarity and vibrant colors. Huawei has integrated some advanced features that use both hardware and AI to enhance the photography experience. The Pura 70 Ultra includes optical image stabilization (OIS) and AI stabilization, ensuring your shots are sharp even if your hands aren't perfectly steady. Alright folks, let's wrap this up and talk about the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra after spending some quality time with this device. Diving deep into its features and testing everything from the camera to the battery life, I've got a pretty clear picture to share with you. The Pura 70 Ultra isn't cheap, but you get what you pay for a top-tier smartphone that competes with the best out there. It's a serious investment, and for those who value photography, a luxe design, and a solid battery life, it's worth considering. So, who is this phone for? If you love capturing photos and want a phone that can double as a professional camera, this is a no-brainer. It's also perfect for anyone who appreciates a phone that feels as good as it looks and performs.